everybody, welcome to Saranya's kitchen. Today we are going to make home style KFC chicken. So let's look at the process now. We took 1 cup of maida or all purpose flour. We took 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. We took 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and we took 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we will add all the ingredients into the maida and mix them. So we'll add the black pepper, the red chili powder, then the cornstarch. Lastly, we will add the salt. Now let's mix them well. Now we'll add the baking soda. Let's mix them well again. We marinated the chicken 6 hours ago. Let's look at the marination process now.
Flashback.
Marinating process now. So here we have 500 grams of chicken. We washed it with turmeric and salt for hygienic purpose. So the rest of the ingredients are red chili powder 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And we have 3/4 glass of milk. Now let's add the glass of milk to the chicken. Now let's add the red chili powder. Now let's add the salt. The black pepper and the ginger garlic paste. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. Now let's keep this in the fridge for 6 hours to make the chicken nice, tender and crispy.
End of flashback.
6 hours later.
Chicken into the flour. Binding, we will dip the chicken into the deep cool water. And again we'll dip it into the flour. Now let's put the chicken into the deep frying oil. Gently stir after 2 minutes. Ten minutes of deep frying. It's almost ready. You could see it's golden brown color. It's beautiful.
2,000 years later.
Yummy, yummy home style KFC